Why are pre-existing conditions so complex for insurance? Imagine trying to buy a ticket for a flight, but the airline already knows you have a medical condition. It makes the process more complicated, right? That's what happens with health insurance and pre-existing conditions. These are health issues that existed before someone got their current insurance coverage. They can include things like diabetes, heart disease, asthma, or even past injuries. The tricky part is that insurance companies have to figure out how much risk they're taking on when they cover someone with these conditions. Insurance companies look at the chance of someone needing future medical care. If a person has a chronic illness, they might need more doctor visits, medicines, or hospital stays. This means higher costs for the insurer. To decide whether to cover someone and how much to charge, insurers use a process called medical underwriting. They review medical histories to predict future costs. Before 2014, many insurers could refuse coverage or charge higher prices if they found pre-existing conditions. That made it hard for people with ongoing health issues to get affordable insurance. For example, someone with diabetes or a history of heart problems might have been denied coverage or faced very high premiums. This was especially tough for marginalized communities, including Black communities, who often face higher rates of certain health issues. These disparities are linked to factors like access to health care, economic status, and systemic inequalities. In 2014, the Affordable Care Act changed things. It made it illegal for most insurance plans to deny coverage or charge more just because of pre-existing conditions. This law aimed to make health insurance fairer and easier to access. Still, some challenges remain. Definitions of what counts as a pre-existing condition can vary from one insurer to another. Some use strict standards, only counting diagnosed or treated conditions. Others include symptoms even if no formal diagnosis was made. This can affect whether someone is covered or not. Plus, not all insurance plans follow the same rules. Short-term or limited duration plans might still exclude pre-existing conditions. Even with coverage, people with these conditions might face higher out-of-pocket costs or limited choices of doctors. For Black communities, understanding these rules is especially important because they often have higher rates of chronic health problems. Knowing your rights and options helps you make better choices about your health coverage. In summary, pre-existing conditions are complex because they involve assessing risk and costs. Laws like the Affordable Care Act have helped improve access, but some difficulties still exist. Education about how insurance treats these conditions can help you navigate your options and get the care you need.